This is my 3 things that you need to consider before designing your vehicle wrap. First, consult credible and knowledgeable people about branding, marketing strategy, logo design. The second one is you have to think simple. Nowadays, we are very bombarded with information from your cell phone, billboard, TV, and anywhere. When you say simple, less is more. Vehicle wrap is such a small space, and you always have to make sure that you're introducing certain information to your consumer or to someone that will see your vehicle. This coming from my own experience as a graphic designer. Business owner should be open-minded, but not subjective. Your personal taste and your business is 2 different types of identity. Let your graphic designers, your marketing agency create such a unique brand for your own business.